Okay, my truck has a slight issue. But before we get to that issue, let me show you what I did to it. Wire up the headlights. Okay, no more horsing around. Let me show you what's wrong with this thing. So you know how old C10s like this have a little gap? Well, this thing has a big gap. Let me show you why. And the hood doesn't shut all the way. Oh, God. That is... It's ever so slightly broken. So, yeah. It's drivable. That's all I care about. I don't need to open the hood off one because it's a Chevy. Shut up, poor guys. But the alternator works.